Hey there, welcome back again. Uh, Once again, I'm at a very late time of night, and this time I got 1 7 days? 1 7 days. Um, this is probably gonna be like 2 seconds. Alright, let's get this up, let's go. So far so good. Did spawn them in, right? Okay. That answers my question. I'm just gonna do it one more time. Alright? That was a bit too short. I think the plan is, let me see what I got in the bank. I can block myself in. Right. They're probably gonna break through this. Oh, I just thought about that. Maybe not. This is very claustrophobic. Look, nobody's perfect. Um, what else did we put in here? I have something. Oh, they're breakable. I did not know they're breakable. Right. Might as well just go up and put myself on a silver platter. Oh, send me the official weapon. Where? Where? Oh, I see one. I see you. Did absolutely nothing. And I don't see another one, so... Okay, so... That's the end of that. I might make another one today, I might not. So yeah, if I do, I'll probably upload it tomorrow. Yeah. Alright, good night.